How to create Amazon Jobs account. To create an Amazon Jobs account and sign up for Amazon Job, simply follow these steps. First of all, open your preferred web browser and all you have to do is go to the amazonjobs.com. Now, once you search for it, tap on the first option available there as Amazon Jobs official website and navigate to the Amazon Jobs website. Now here, scroll down. You can also type down the job you are looking for in the search address bar. But I ask you to scroll down and there you can see some options available on the screen. What kind of job you are looking for. I am simply tapping on the student one for now. Again, scroll down. And there you'll be asked if you want the internship or full-time job. I'm tapping on the internship again for now. You can choose any according to your preferences. Now scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see some jobs description option available. Now here scroll and look for the job you are looking for or you are capable of and simply tap on it. So I'm here tapping on the first one for an example. Here you can see there is a description available in the whole left side and there is apply now option available at the top right. Now if you like the job, tap on the apply now. And here you'll have to log into your amazon.com or log in using your Google account. Now once logged in, you will be navigated to the section where they will ask for your some personal details. You can see there is a long list in the left hand side panel. You'll have to fill up all this information. And once you fill it up, you'll be signed in for your job. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.